Let's use the build a word strategy with blends. The word is sled. I rode my sled down the hill. Sled. What's the word? Sled. Let's see how many sounds, how many phonemes are in the word sled. S, l, e, d. Sled. S, l, e, d. 4. Oh, so we need 4 lines. L, e, d. The first phoneme or sound is S. What's the grapheme? S. The second phoneme or sound, L. Grapheme, L. E. Grapheme, E, right? And the final phoneme or sound in the word sled is D. Which grapheme? The D, right? Let's write that. S-L-E-D, sled.